Hello, dear students. Happy evening and greetings to you all from our exclusive English and educational updates. Hope you did well in today's grand test examination pertaining to our English subjects. Perhaps this is the last English examination you must have attempted at your respective school locations. So wishing you all the best for the final examination. Now in this short video we will be just briefly looking at the class 10 grand test with correct answer key, because there are a couple of things to be discussed in our grammar section where there was a scope for the misunderstanding of the given test item. So we'll also look at the section C, all descriptive creative expressions one by one. So dear students, we uploaded the SCRT model paper with analysis by our subject expert Sri M. Chandrasekhar Garu, State Awardee, and we please look at the model paper analysis for maximum score in the tomorrow's grand test. So if you are thinking of applying the AP Polyset examination, please do watch this video and please do download your hall tickets in the suggested process. So dear students, without any further delay and ado, let's look at the answer key for English examination prepared by our subject experts. So first one is, why is Lomo trembling all over? Because he is very nervous and excited about proposing marriage and feels as if he is appearing for an examination. So excited, nervous, those two keywords are very important to give the marks, right? So what does Lomo think will happen if he hesitates or feel for real love? So Lomo thinks that if he keeps thinking or searching for ideal love, he will never get married. So will never get married is the important content words that should be appeared in the response sheet. So next one is BCA. So answers are, he'll never get married. 35, headache. Next, with regard to a poem, question number 6 to 10. The words that are used to describe the movements and actions of the tiger. So here in the case, stalks quite race, in the wild, in the natural habitat, forest, lurking, sliding through long grass. So we'll explain the questions and answers in the next presentation, but let us have the answers only in the first video part. In the video part 2, you'll get to see the both the questions and answers. So dear students, are you with me? Next one, the mood of the tiger in the case is angry, restless and frustrated because it was imprisoned in the cage. Next, multiple choice questions are A, B, meaning in a cage in the zoo, to hunt the deer unsuspectingly and to drink water. Next one is a supplement reader. Question number 11 to 15. So, Madam Liesel has no suitable dress or jewelry for the party. The jewels were of admirable workmanship. Liesel felt proud. A diamond necklace. She was greedy. Madam Liesel was greedy. So answers are in the order A, B, B, C, C. Next, we'll go to the study skills part. Pie chart answers. The first one is, the pie chart shows famous movie genres in Mrs. Smith's film class. So this has been extracted from the our SCRT material, and which also figured in the previous examination. So dear students, don't copy from your assessment booklets, write on your own. The most famous movie genre in Mrs. Smith class is comedy, so which is contributing 27%. Then CAA respectively 11%. Action, both drama and romance are given equal weightage in the pie chart. Next one is question number 17, which is arranging jumbled sentences in the meaningful order. So here again in the pre-fin examination, it has been twisted and the order is as it is, A, B, C, D, E. So don't get confused, dear students. Next one is relative clause. Sometimes apart from who and that, and now it is things related. I was sitting on a chair which collapsed. I was sitting on a chair which collapsed. I was sitting on a chair which collapsed. So some other responses also awarded, right? On which also possible. Active voice and passive voice. The results will be announced tomorrow by them. Reported speech. He asked what I had been doing with those keys. Suitable prepositions are off, full of, and good at playing. So editing, drive, driving, used, use, mobility, mobile, entailing, entail, right? So here suitable articles an and the, used to, would. So during my previous interview I used to be shy. When we were children we would play and hide and seek evening. So both are possible. Please do award the marks. Then noun modifiers. This is a red roofed house. I bought a wooden table. So remember this, red roofed house and a wooden table. And here we followed the rule OSAS camp, right? Here color, and then roofed, what type of, so purpose, and wooden is material, and table. So in the rule OSAS camp, exactly, I bought a wooden table and this is a roofed house. You should follow traffic rules. Then synonyms: valor, bravery; sahasam, dhairyam; linked, connected; covered, filled, draped, and renowned, famous. Antonyms are finally, initially, under, on, above; word, rejected, denied; enlightenment, ignorance. From the lesson, the ceremony at Benares, right? So right forms: discrimination, inspiration; prefixes and suffixes: virtuous, prejudice; wrongly spelled word here is field, FIEL, Maidanam; dictionary entry, adjective, rude. Phrasal verbs are very easy. I'll hand in my assignment tomorrow and I can't bring myself to hurt my friend by telling a lie. So here matching A, D, C, B. Now possible conversation, and between here a possible conversation between me and my father. Here the ceremony at Banaras, and diary entry here. The black aeroplane pilot's version. Then letter to municipal commissioner, problem of conveying the problem of stray dogs in our area. So look at the sample answer script here. Then script for speech, very easy. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends, talking of the importance of advantages of tourism. Then Horace Danby's feelings description. Then information transfer by it's a branches of literature. Literature has many branches that help us understand human life and imagination. So such kind of statements as a paragraph can be awarded the marks. So we thank the subject experts, Sri Nadala Rangaswamy Garu, for this wonderful preparation. Now we look at the another answer key just at a cursory glance. So why is Lemo trembling all over? What does Lomo think will happen? Hesitates. Look for real life. So look at the multiple choice questions. Then poetry followed by supplement reader. Then we have the arranged sentences in the meaningful order. Section B. So here I was sitting on a chair which collapsed, right? So the results will be announced tomorrow by them. Full of interesting. She is good at playing chess. So look at the all readily available answers. Dear students, only these conversation and other things may differ from the previous answer key of sample response and this one. So with this we conclude our today's video, and next we will upload the mathematics, physical science, biological science and social studies model papers. Please do watch and get benefited. So dear students, thank you very much for watching this video until here. Wish you all happy learning and keep learning. Do take care. Jai Hind.